YouTube folk, it's Tuesday, bitches. It's Tuesday, bitches. This isn't even one of those videos. Actually, this is a video I want to do for a viewer. I got viewer mail, viewer email, and I won't say his name, but his message says, awesome video about how to build up finger muscles using the finger exercising tool thing. I've been playing guitar for a little over a year now, and the one thing I'm having a hard time with is bar chords. So hard that sometimes it makes me come to the point where I don't even want to keep playing. First off, let me tell you, you are not the first guitarist to say this. I said this myself, and just about every other guitar player in your position said this within the first year and a half, especially when they started getting into bar chords. Could you possibly do a video showing how you overcame and practice bar chords? You know, like I say, when that first year and a half, like where you're at, it's nothing uncommon at all. First, you need to know that you are not the first player to say that, to just say fuck it, because bar chords are challenging. The bar chords and the F chord, people don't like that. I remember this pretty vividly when I was first got kind of serious about playing guitar. When I was about 14 years old, I actually had a guitar class in high school, and yeah, everything was going great. You know, I learned the D chord, the G chord, the C chord, the A chord. You know, all the basics. And, you know, those were hard enough at the time. I mean, I can remember, you know, having to literally place my fingers, you know, to get it. And then, yeah, then we get into a song where you need to do bar chords. And everybody's bar chords just came out as, you know what I mean? You know, you're doing it right now. So, don't worry about that. As far as how to get through it, I can't stress enough about, and I don't have any of these left right now, but I've got some coming. They're not exactly like this, but they're very similar and they do the same thing. I can't stress enough about finger exercises, and there is, I may have my other finger exercise here in this room. I thought I threw it in this case. Maybe not. I'm not going to go down there and get it now, but you know, the other finger exerciser, which is the one you grab, it's kind of like excuse me, like a hand exerciser, and those are great too. What I like about this is it's instead of coming down, you're going out, and for me, I think that builds much more strength in your fingers. You know, you don't have a lot of muscles in your fingers at all, really. It's in your hand and in your arm. So, you know, if I know I'm going to record something or whatever, within a couple of weeks, like say I'm going to start recording in 2 weeks or whatever, every day I start off with, you know, finger exercises. And before I start my finger exercises, I start, you know, you want to start right up in your forearm and start massaging the muscles. And just work your way all the way down. Those big muscles in here, like right in here that goes up into your pinky, that's a huge muscle right there. And up in the thumb muscle, exercise all that. Like I say, start up in here and just go all the way down. All the way to your fingertips. And just massage your hands to get the blood flowing and everything. And you're going to, believe me, that's going to help you a lot. And don't forget, do that to both hands. It's good. It's good for your hand. Do it anytime you think about it. You know, it's just good to massage those muscles. It kind of loosens you up, gets you warmed up for playing. So yeah, that, and then the finger exercises with this is great. And the more you do that, the stronger your hands are going to get. As far as bar chords go, keep practicing them, okay? But I can't stress enough about good hand positioning, you know? And I'm going to redirect you to a video. I'll put a description in the link A cat's scratching on the door. I'm going to put a description in the link to a video of a guy who shows a simple technique for good hand positioning. Okay, because that's, when you get into bar chords, that's what it's really all about, is your hand positioning. And you, believe me, once you're, and then here, think of it like this too. Anytime you do an E chord or an A chord like that, think of it like this. That's already a bar chord, because normally the bar would be up here, but it'd be the other side of the nut. So when you're doing bar chords that are A's down in here, that's all that is. It's just the A chord, and you're adding a bar, you know, or the E minor. But believe me, the more you do them, the more you're going to knock them out. And a lot of times, even when I'm doing power chords, I'll, like, let's see, Mr. Crowley. I'll bar that over, even if I'm not playing those notes, just as a means of practicing. I'll bar it, you know, all the way down. So that's, I mean, there's no simple solution for it. There's no other than just keep playing them. And keep playing them, and know that you're not the first guy, and you certainly will not be the last guy to start off playing guitar having a hell of a time with bar chords and the F chord. Of course, people do not like the F chord either, so but I'll redirect you to a video. And this guy, his site on here on YouTube is Guitar Lessons 365. He's a fucking incredible guitar player. He has plenty of lessons. But this particular video, when you sent me this message, it reminded me of this video, and I use this trick all the time. So there's no reason for me to show it to you here. I'll just redirect you to the video, and you can check it out. Do what he's talking about, because proper hand positioning is extremely important. It's going to help you not only with bar chords, but it's going to help you all the way through all of your playing. So. Alright, buddy, I hope that helps you out, and if there's anything else I can do to help you guys out with that kind of stuff, there goes my strap, let me know. So, until next time, and I think next time is going to be in the next few minutes here, so talk to you later.